How to check if your computer has an SSD or hard disk? There are two easy ways to check if your computer has an SSD or hard disk in Windows 11. So let's get started. Method 1. Using Task Manager. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab. Now look at the disks listed on the Performance tab. The type of storage, SSD or HDD, will be displayed under the disk name. You can also click on each disk to see more detailed information, such as the manufacturer and model. Method 2. Using inbuilt software. Go to Start menu. Type Optimize Drives on the search bar. Click on it. Optimize Drives pop-up will appear. In the Media Type section, you can find your storage type. In this case, here are showing 2 drives are SSD and rest of 3 drives are HDD. And that's how you can check if your computer has an SSD or hard disk. Thanks for watching.